What's up, Team Buckhouse? Johnathan Buckhouse here, and we're at Breck opening day. They opened up top to bottom, so from peak 8 and super chair. So we're gonna do a top to bottom run, kind of show you conditions, kind of show you what's going on. So join us. Two runs. We got 4 o'clock, and then I missed the sign. Springmire, that's the one. Also got some fresh snow overnight, which is awesome. Snow feels actually pretty good. Woo! The man-made stuff, the middle stuff's a little firm. The side stuff, the brushy, we like that. Over here in the trees for a second. Right now it's not too busy. Trails merging. So Springmire and 4 o'clock join together to one run right here. Opening up a bit, let's make some turns. Got to keep your speed low, they got the yellow jackets everywhere. I also recommend listening to these no jumping signs. They don't get your pass taken away. I like that they left a little bit open. I don't know if you guys saw that. Oh, God, it was distracting. Okay. Alright guys, that's what's open here at Breck, top to bottom. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please smash the like button. Subscribe if you're new to the channel, not only to join the strongest ski and snowboard community on the internet, but I like to keep you guys updated with conditions and everything. Oh, I'm falling in that fence. If you're new to my channel, consider snagging an Evolution sticker as well. Let everyone know you're part of Team Buckhouse. And with that, as always, thank you so much for shredding with us today. And as always, thanks for watching. Keep evolving. We'll see you guys tomorrow with another video.